Welcome to your magnificent pool home. Wide water view. Aerial view. Heated saltwater pool and spa overlooking the beautiful lakes. Custom entertainment center. Sliding glass doors leading to pool and spa. Custom carpentry throughout the home. Great room leading to gourmet kitchen. Plenty of quartzite countertops and upgraded wood cabinets. Kitchen island centerpiece of your culinary creativity. Stainless steel Bosch appliances and over-counter lighting. Dining room and built-in butler's pantry. Large den for home office, media room, or additional guest retreat. Owner's suite wood floor and plantation shutters. Owner's suite spacious overlooks lake. Owner's suite bathroom large granite vanity. Owner's suite bathroom walk-in shower and tub. Bedroom number 2 spacious and private bathroom. Bathroom number 2 shower and tub combo. Bedroom number 3 spacious with wood floor and private bathroom. Bathroom number 3 convenient walk-in shower. Laundry room with utility sink, countertop, and plenty of cabinets for storage. Large lanai deck surrounding pool and spa to relax and to entertain. Spa and relaxing area to enjoy a cold beverage. Picture frame view of the sparkling lake. Front of the home and side yard. Appreciate the large footprint and position on the cul-de-sac. Picture frame screened lanai and amazing view of the lake. Aerial view Finch Terrace. Morningside floor plan. Amazing amenity center. Landmark clock tower. Beautifully decorated interior town center. Library/game room. Resort style heated pool. Tennis and pickleball center west/gathering area. Heated lap pool. Fitness center. Basketball bocce center west/gathering area. Tot lot. Town center. Concept. Full service restaurant. Come watch your favorite team. Gas pumps. That New York bagel place. USPS service counter. Unique butterfly gardens. Beautifully landscaped walk, bike and golf cart paths. Guard gated community.